you can beat me, do you?
Begin! Mission accomplished! I can still do this! All mine!
Okay, we're heading to where we expect to encounter the enemy. This is the Akatsuki we're talking about. You should all be prepared. What's wrong, Shikamaru?
Asuma and Kurenai-sensei, they...
Well?
Asuma.
Kurenai, what are you doing here?
I heard you leaving for the mission, so...
You're not worried about me, are you? Who do you think I am?
I know, but...
It'll be over before you know it, and I'll be right back.
Asuma-sensei, it's time to move out.
Right.
Asuma,
Yeah?
be careful, okay?
You got it. Shikamaru, what's up?
No, it's nothing.
We may come across our target any time. Keep your guard up.
He's right. I can't think about anything else now.
Okay, let's go.
Begin! Mission accomplished!
We're getting close to the enemy. Everyone ready for this?
Yes, sir.
We'll see what happens.
I've gotta hang in there.
Begin!
I'll put it all on the line. Yeah! 8 trigrams, 128 pounds guard!
Mission accomplished! I can still do this!
Come on, are we at the Leaf Village yet? I'm getting tired of all this walking.
Shut up. Keep moving.
I mean, are we even sure this Jinchuriki is in the Hidden Leaf?
We're not certain, but the chances are good.
What? That's it? We're just relying on your hunch?
Keep your mouth shut.
Excellent. The surprise attack worked.
Oh, what's this?
Huh?
Are you kidding me? Now my clothes are all messed up.
It'll take more than that to beat the Akatsuki.
Are you injured, Hidan?
That was nothing. So, you did that to me, huh?
That headband, it's the leaf.
Akatsuki, we have orders to capture or kill you.
You? Kill us? You hear that, Kakazu?
They obviously don't know their place.
Let me deal with them. I owe them for my clothes.
If you get cocky, they'll defeat you.
I'm downright insulted by that.
Asuma-sensei.
Back me up, Shikamaru. Izumo, Kotetsu, stick with Shikamaru.
Yes, sir.
Whoa, talk about hustle.
Begin!
Asuma!
Yeah.
Asuma!
Yeah.
Watch me now! Asuma!
Yeah.
Mission accomplished!
Hey, you guys are pretty good.
What's happening? I thought I got him.
Anything wrong, Hidan? Do you need a hand?
I don't need your help. They're from my ritual.
What's he up to?
This is a bad omen.
Fine then. Let's go another round.
Shikamaru can't keep this up forever. Good work, but I'll take them by myself. Izumo, contact the other teams while I'm busy.
Asuma! It's too dangerous!
Don't worry, I'll hold them off until backup arrives. It'll take a lot to bring me down.
But sir, we won't have a chance against them.
We doing this or not? I'm getting tired of waiting over here. You have a nice face. And yet imagining it distorted in agony gives me such a thrill.
We'll see whose face will be in pain.
There's no question. It'll be yours!
Begin! Mission accomplished!
Did he win?
Too bad.
What? Why isn't Asuma-sensei getting up?
Asuma!
That's one down. Who's gonna be next? Any of you will be fine. I'm easy.
Yeah.
If you don't come at me, I'll come at you.
Shikamaru!
We came to help.
Joji! Ino!
What's this, reinforcements?
I'll distract him. Ino, you take care of Asuma-sensei.
Okay.
Joji, I can fight too.
No, Shikamaru, your chakra's almost gone.
Don't argue with me. We need to buy time, otherwise Asuma won't make it.
Ha! You're wasting your breath. He's already gone.
No, not yet.
Oh, still want to fight me? Good. I'll do this as many times as you want.
Wait. I'll be joining you. You take too long.
Fine. Then let's finish him up quick.
Begin!
Stay alert if you want to live.
You want to take that back?
Shadow Pull Jutsu! I'll bury you there. Help recover! Help recover! Gotta see you will be my sacrifice. Super expansion jutsu!
struggling will only make this worse.
Our attacks aren't working on them!
Sorry, but this is the end of the line for you.
No, I can't die like this.
Ha! Which one should I dispose of first?
Huh?
Oh, can't you wait just a second longer? I was just getting to the fun part. I'm telling you, we're this close.
Don't argue, Hedon.
What? Who are they talking to?
We will return. Be ready next time.
That idiot commander. I'll curse him. See if I don't.
They retreated?
Don't worry about that. Let's check on Asuma.
Right!
Ino, どうだ?
もういい。もう俺はここまでだ。それぐらいはお前たちも分かってるはずだ。
アスマ先生、喋っちゃダメだよ。
庄司、それにイノも。アスマ先生の最後の言葉だ。しっかり聞け。
イノ。はい。お前は気が強いが面倒見のいい子だ。長寿も鹿丸も不器用だからな。こいつらのことを頼む。はい。ジョージ、お前は仲間思いの優しい男だ。だからこそ誰より強い忍びになる。自分にもっと自信を持て。うん。そして鹿丸、お前は頭も切れるし、忍びとしてのセンスもいい。火影にもなれる器だ。まあ、めんどくさがり屋のお前は嫌がるだろうがな。正気、お前に一度も勝てなかったな。そういや、玉のあの話、あれが誰だか教えてやる。耳を貸せ。
アスマ、あんただから。
あとは頼んだぞ。しかも長司、俺の大切な。悪い、ちょっと帰る家遅く。
アスマ先生！
まだ教えてもらいたいことがあったってのに、最後まで勝手なんだよ。バカ野郎。